Good day, viewers. Welcome back to Earth Defense Force Iron Range of the Blade.
Gargant here.
So now we're at mission 6. So our weapons are ready. So let's go.
Just hope none of us will be flying here today.
Don't remind me. I want to remember how I flew.
I think you'll be flying most of the time.
How can you be so sure I'm flying most of the time?
Because you have a booster and I don't.
What? Oh, those.
What do you think I meant?
I thought you said I'm gonna get sent flying by an enemy.
Recovery device.
I didn't do that when I recover.
Maybe because you're moving so much.
Well, of course, I'm running for my life. Oh, quick recover.
Squad leader to Maeve. We cannot see Quake Team with our naked eyes. We are getting life signs on the radar, though.
Multiple life signs 70 meters ahead. Judging by the size, it's a group of humans.
Group of humans?
The missing Quake Team?
What was that?
I don't know.
I'm going forward.
Was that? The life signs.
Whoa,
are
what
coming
is
from
that?
an aggressor.
What is?
There
Whoa!
are people locked in the capsule.
Ow!
Don't attack them.
Spread out and only attack its head and legs. Stop it in its tracks.
What is behind us?
Oh boy, I know what it is.
What is it?
It's a turtle robot. That's what it is.
Is that look like a turtle robot?
Try not to hit those capsules.
Oh, that's an energy gem.
Worry about that later. There's one behind us. Keep reloading. Oh, that was it? What?
More. They're over there.
I'm going.
Barometer signal
I'm going
on the
in.
radar.
Yeah, I can see them. And there's spiders.
Wolf spiders.
Yes.
All the time. Or they spot up.
Here comes the next wave. Prepare intercept.
I can't move. Stop. Did you just shoot me? Ah.
I got knocked down too. Oh, there's another one. Oh, never mind.
We're losing here.
There's another one over there.
Give me a minute. Ah!
Spider's in the way. It can't get through. Ah!
Do we have to protect the human or something?
I think so.
But we're running out of humans here. What it said? I didn't quite understand.
Me either.
Damn it, I gotta reload. One more.
It's over there. Okay.
Whew.
Target eliminated.
All enemy defeated.
Mission accomplished.
What do they want with those people? Are they simply hostages, or are they capturing people for their own research?
We need to be on high alert.
We are Earth Defense Force, so we have to say people. I think that's completely normal. Oh, we're running out of time.
Yeah, but as just as possible.
Wait to get rid of this loss and go back to normal life.
Ah, I didn't make it. Come on. Ah, there are too many.
Oh, we panic. I was shooting everything we saw.
Emery got double A. I wish I never go through that again.
And a turtle robot.
This is UNN, the Universal News Network, on the battlegrounds. Earlier today, in the states of California and Arizona, a quadruped weapon, thought to be a new aggressor model, dubbed Harvester, was spotted. It seems that Harvesters aimed to capture humans and tried to capture citizens during the battle in California, but were all destroyed by the EDF battle unit who responded to the scene. In Arizona, Harvesters and the terrorist group Kindred Rebellion were spotted battling, leaving many rebels dead and wounded. Universal News Network, signing off.
Headgear, trap weapons.
They fought that thing too.
They were beaten pretty bad.
7.
That's karma for you.
Hey, the rebels are humans, just like us.
Still, all these new enemy types, new aggressors, it's frightening.
Hold on a minute.
Yo, how's your finances going?
A new shotgun. Just look at it different, just the color. That's it.
In the stats are different.
Oh, okay. Look at what I have.
I'm seeing what I have also.
Fly items.
I didn't quite see that.
Sportables. Orgies.
I think those are the dummies, so the ant will attack those while you destroy them.
I see.
So it's kind of like a diversion.
Trap weapon ally. This looks cool.
A desert again?
Several all aggressors.
The aggressor forces are concentrated in Area C-21. Their objective is unknown, but we can't let them invade the defense priority Level B area next to it. Exterminate enemy forces in the Level
Oh!
B area.
Whoops!
More enemy backup.
Blast, understood. This is a tough mission.
They're like, oh no!
I got it.
Almost got me. Uh-oh. There are a lot of them, aren't they?
Yeah, man. What if the Starship Troopers are now?
Do they go to Starship Troopers all of a sudden? Ouch!
I didn't hit you.
No, the enemy's hitting me. He's throwing something at me like a fireball. I'm reloading. Give me time.
Same here.
I never thought you guys went ahead of me. I was in the back the entire time.
Really?
Yes, I wasn't even going forward because I might get hit by your weapon again. Ah! Yeah, there's so many of them. I have to agree with that. Get away! You obtained something!
Aggressor signal approaching.
Yeah, this
From
is
above.
an EDF box.
Oh no, not them again.
There's so many of them.
To reload.
What do we do, Captain? Hey, this is Blastly.
Yeah, that's down. There are more of them.
You don't need some help over here? They're all over here.
This is Gale 3, standing by your blast team's mission area.
Reloading.
Reloading!
We have not received such orders. We flew over those urgent orders from Commander Campbell.
Victoria, you're here too.
Hi, Takuma. It's been a while. We were transporting some new quick-step vehicles to HQ, guys.
They're down.
We've received orders to back up blast team in battle. Roger that, Gale 3. Deploy vehicles.
That's a huge help.
Oh.
Gale 3,
Wait, what?
destination confirmed.
Wait, what?
Still have more enemies.
Yeah, I'm going forward. Well, lucky me, I'm way close. What is going on? My camera just went up.
Vehicle on radar.
Oh,
Zone in
I
flight.
might be sending help.
Because there's too many of them. We can't handle this by ourselves.
Where's another one?
I got it.
Good. Alright, collect those energy gems. There's so
No
many.
aggressor signals. All enemy forces exterminated. Great work, everybody.
We can't get all of
This is
these.
Gale 3, returning to HQ. See you later.
I just get
By
as
the
much as I
way,
can.
where is HQ? I've never been.
Me neither.
Sorry, that information is classified.
Even for us?
After that coup from 5 years back. Now, let's head back to camp.
Too many of them.
I
Can't
wish
get
I
it
could
all.
be like closer.
There's so many back there.
Whoa!
Terminal unit.
It's fine. Woohoo!
Double A.
We're getting a gunship in the next mission? Can't believe those tech cheapies approved that expense.
There's no point in collecting energy gems if we can't bring them home.
Grenade launcher.
TF Grudge.
Sword?
Sword? MC Proto Arc Sword. Vico, Mephrim, Vico, Skyfish, 494 Truck, EDF. There's a sword here?
all you like.
Can you even use a sword here? There's a sword. Yeah, it looks like a gun. Now I'm thinking what I have.
I want to equip the sword, but not right now.
Shadow of Doom. That's the place.
Gotta be careful where we go. I want to equip a sword, but not right now.
It's a bit too risky.
Do we have any tanks here?
I don't think so.
Well, we did get a new vehicle.
Yeah, we did.
Transport support. Support team, Gale.
Gale?
Oh, it says right there, Gale.
Well, yeah.
Student HQ of EDF North America.
So dark. So silent also.
This mission is to eliminate the aggressors.
Enemies ahead. Initiating attack.
Oh, behind us!
Stay calm and take them out one at a time.
And something in front of us too.
Radio from Squad Team on their scouting mission.
Uh oh! A robot!
This is
Take out the robot!
encountering a mega giant rocket weapon. Most likely an
Robot down! How am I gonna face
We can't
this?
see its entire shape. We see countless leg-like appendages. It seems to be moving toward the area Blast Team is in. Stay on high alert.
This is lightning. We can see it from the air. This thing's bigger than Maeve's behind.
No, that might go Shadow of Doom.
I am Slender.
This really is our doom. We're doomed. We're doomed.
Stop whining though!
I'm not whining. I'm just. Anyway. Gotta reload.
What is that thing? It's
Now what?
huge.
What's
Don't know the
huge?
details,
I'm not
but it's
seeing
likely
anything.
a
You
new
guys are in the.
aggressor type. This mission takes place in a defense priority level A area. Keep damage to a minimum.
Yeah, but have you seen that thing?
What's that thing? I don't see anything. What are you guys looking at?
Look, we'll sort it out right now. We'll sort it out later. Let's figure out this flying thing first.
Punch with caution. You want to get crushed?
I can't shoot it. Do something.
Got it!
Nice.
Damn, plating stickers up. Here they come. Let's go.
Oh, that's the one that's big.
What big?
That's the one over there. Look at my screen.
Oh, it's over there! A crab?
It's a giant crab.
There's a robot.
You think of the robot. I'll take of the giant crab.
Yeah, all three of them at once!
Yeah. Good luck.
Okay, take care of it. Get me reloading. Oh, I'm getting hit by a building.
I'm gonna go proceed to the giant crab.
You overheat.
Yeah, I didn't notice.
Oh, there's another robot!
Forget about proceeding to the giant crab. I can't.
New aggressor type is releasing giant creatures.
How am I gonna destroy it? I can't destroy it. I can't destroy it.
This is Blast Leader. Our attack seems futile.
Yeah, our text is there. I can see that. It's so big.
How am I gonna take this down? I come for the fire.
Try shooting the tentacles.
The legs?
Yes, try shooting at those. I think it's working. I believe so. It's working. Whoa, there's a beetle!
Of all the time for this to appear right now. Reloading.
It's not working. I overdrive, but it did nothing.
I think that will be our main target though.
Help!
Where are you though?
Help!
Oh, robot!
Help!
Help's on the way. Okay, robot down.
I eliminated the robot as well. Our attack is useless against that thing. I don't know how to defeat it.
I know.
In any case, if we can't damage it with our attacks, we'll need new weapons.
See the weapon I got. It burned me.
A weapon that can take on that massive thing? I need some time, but I will come up with something, and Commander, I will need a budget.
Oh, watch it.
Understood. I will take it up with the board.
One enemy left.
Enemies ahead!
Eliminate all remaining enemies.
There's one enemy.
I think it's complete.
Last team, prepare to retreat.
Why are we retreating?
Peculiar, that new type. I'll call it Gargant for the
I never
time
expect
being.
to fight a giant crab.
Gargant doesn't seem to make any direct attacks. It's as if it's searching for something.
It's not looking to attack?
Guessing from its current behavior, it's possible. Of course, its ultimate intention is to attack the human race. No doubt.
Team blast. We could do that too if our equipment would work properly.
That makes a valid point.
Nice. You got a double A somehow. Do you see that one coming?
Well, our weapon not doing anything against it.
I tried to use my overdrive and keep hitting it over and over again with our laser something. It did nothing.
We need a better weapon. I don't even think my flamethrower would work.
It shouldn't flame itself.
My dear EDF soldiers, how are you doing? I wish I could say I'm bursting with energy like always. But since last night's battle, I've been cooped up in my shelter all night. To be honest, I didn't get much sleep.
Laser rifle?
But all of you EDF soldiers are working harder than any of us. So who am I to complain? Besides, since it was a WS company shelter, I wasn't nervous at all. I, Olivia, will continue to send my thoughts to the brave EDF soldiers out there. Even from inside the shelter.
Hold on a minute.
In the city
Yo,
again?
How's your finances going?
Only one sword. Doesn't change color only. Is this the new laser rifle?
I think so, but it's D. We got an A already.
Yeah, no need for that. Fine, I'll wait for a good sword.
Wait for a good sword. Okay guys, so next part of the video we'll be going at mission 9.
Man, that was hard.
Yeah, the 8th one was so hard. I never expected we were gonna fight the giant crab. I was a little shocked. But hope you enjoyed today, so next part, like I said, will be 9. So, Shabrin, drive for the next part of the video. Goodbye.
See ya.